guys, we're gonna cause some more chaos. Yep, we're causing more chaos. Let's cause some more chaos. So what kind of gun should we use today? I'm gonna test out some of these guns. If you guys know and you want to try them out, if you want me to go crazy, please leave it in the comment section or like the video or subscribe. Anyway, let's do this. Let's start with number 1.
Go to the main square and silence.
Yeah, I'm not doing that, man. Let's start this one. Wait. I can break cars. Yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna rate this, like, it doesn't really do that much damage because you have to like do it. You have to like do it like you have to like do it sometimes too. But sometimes
take the hint. Dodging practice begin.
Run from a pigeon. Fire cry.
Yeah, I'm gonna rip out some of this. I don't like the message actually. I don't like this message. Yeah, I don't listen to you. So I'm gonna give that a 1 because it doesn't really do that fast. It doesn't do rapid fire, or it does not do like, it doesn't, you have to like, you can't hit it, and it doesn't do that much damage. So let's start with, alright, our next one is the police. The starter gun for the police. Let's see. And also, this is actually worse than the other gun. You have to do it like 4 times. Or
Right here.
Heads
up.
Stay down.
You just point another.
Take this.
So I'm gonna give that like it's a 2. It's better, but it's not that good. Our next one is the hook. The hook is actually with like some little, you can actually take people with it and carry cars that I'm impressed with. You can also like bring them up to your like lab or put them on top of the roof. I don't even care about this. It's because so I'm just gonna bring this around. I'm just gonna put this near the council.
Right here.
And also you can like, you can grab it and then unleash and like keep on doing that. I'm kind of happy about that.
Like don't fail me again.
I'm gonna release this. I don't care. Why did I do that? Okay, that was none of my fault. It'll pass it. Yes, do that. And you can actually cause like a bunch of...
Scatter now. Retreating like my Wi-Fi signal. Exit.
You can also like release them. It's actually
Every step is a tiny negotiation.
Ground that bird. That punch sounded bad.
it's like a taser, but that's gonna be another one. Fourth on the list is the freezer. I'm gonna grab 2 of them because it's fun. You can also use this, it's like you can freeze cars, like if somebody's trying to get, you can also freeze the citizens too. That is really helpful. And you can also like with it also too. You can like freeze the cars that I'm excited about.
You want help?
Because
Dot
the next
first.
update is gonna be something connected. It's gonna be a new island over there. There's gonna be a new island. That's gonna be in the next update. Take job. Look at you right now. I would. Okay. Hey, a freezer could be way much better. You can also and like the criminal hate ATM. You can also use that. You can also use that, and I want to double that floor, so I'm not gonna do that. Our next one is the party crasher. What you can do with this is actually do so many things. And I think this mine might be on the top of the list. I don't know why. You know what? It's not. I think the bazooka is gonna be on the top of the list. It might be. So let's start. And when you put it at somebody, yes, dance my minions, dance, dance my minions, dance my. Dance my minions. Dance my minions. Dance. Dance my minions. Dance. Dance for me. Come on, dance for me. Dance for me, my minions. That does nothing to the car. I'm not in a car. I want to get out. Get me out. No, get that little car. It has my items. Give me my items back. Give me my items. My items. Those are my items. Get me out. Get me off, you stupid game. Get me off, you stupid game. Get me off. Get me off. Get me off. I don't like this. No. Stop it. You animatroll. Yay. Dance for my pretties. Dance for me. Dance for the queen. Heading to south. Dance for me, my queens. Dance for me. Dance for me, my queens. Dance for me. Dance for me. Dance for me. Thank you. Dance for me, pretties. Dance for me. Dance for me, pretties. Dance. Oh no. Okay, get myself up. Get myself up. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm absolutely dead. I do not like this. I do not like this. I am stuck in the middle with you. I do not like this. I do not like this. Yes, daddy, guys. I'm dead. I'm dead. I am absolutely dead. Bruh, I am dead. I'm dead. I am dead. Get me off. Give me. Why this game? Get me off. Why won't it get me off, you stupid game? Won't get me off. Get me off. Yes. All that stupid game. It's just like Bruh. Alright, the next one is gonna be these little puppies. The next one is gonna be these little puppies. Let's see, carry one. Puppies! Yeah, puppies! Oh, this is that glory. I love the glory. Give me all the glory. Give me all. Oh, this is so Oh, this is so incredible. do that in slow motion. I want to do it. Bye bye, my pretty. Oh, the shots! Oh boy! Give me up, give me up. I hate this game. Guys, you don't know how much I hate this game. Give me in, give me in, give me in. I said, caught him. Oh, took him down! I took him down! Took him down! Keep on attacking these drones! Stay away from my sight! Oh my god, there's a freaking helicopter coming to me! There's a freaking helicopter! There's an absolute freaking helicopter! Shut! There's a freaking helicopter! Is that how much you need to stop me? There was a freaking helicopter! Bro, I'm done. There was a freaking helicopter up there! There was a freaking helicopter! Bro, this is out of control. Okay, let's get back where I was going. Alright, let's get back. Alright, next one is gonna be this thing. This is the off with gun. Bruh. I love that it does 3, but it's actually not that fun. It destroys cars, I'm gonna give it 0.2, but it's hard to shoot humans actually when you're actually aiming at the right way. Really difficult actually. This is really difficult. And also the 2 is better because you can like snap it more around because you get to like do it by one, do it by one, and it's actually really cool.
Set your mass. Track and fire.
Like the drones! Shut up! Da-da-da-da-da. Stop it. So. Boom! I'm sick of this, man. Alright, our next one on the list is this. What is this one? Oh, baby! That looks beautiful. What happened to my game? What happened to my game? Where my game froze. Bro, my game is... let's grab these. Let's off to another kingdom. Let's head off to another kingdom. Yep. That's what happened, baby. Yep, up and right there. Right on the spot. He just fell off! Did you see that, guys? He just fell off for the whole entire noob! What a noob! What a nerd! Stop filling off, guys! Bruh!
Red active. Lethal force on.
This is ankle foot right now. I think I... Oh, the trees! Stop giving me the trees! I'm gonna attack you, and I'm gonna run away. Woo! Whoa, that is actually a good slip. Did you see that, guy? That's a good slip. Alright. Fine. I'll give you extra points if I make this. Guys, comment, subscribe if I can make this. Yes, I did! Subscribe again. Actually, now like the video if I can make this. You guys like the video! Or maybe another one of you did. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What did I do? I gotta stop pressing that. Okay, give me down, give me down. Give me down, puppies, give me down! Alright, next one on the list is these bad boys. Look at these bad boys! Oh, that is so unfair. Look at these young boys. Look at these bad boys. Yeah, look at these bad boys. Destroy all that and let's run it right in. Run it. Oh yeah, to destroy all that. But the flag destroys. Destroy. Destroy. I will never be friends with you. Never. The game. I'm doing the slow motion. Why? Editor, stop doing the slow motion. Editor, just stop doing the slow motion. I'm done with it. Stop doing the slow motion. For goodness sake. Oh my god. Oh, that is so crappy. Crappy.
Slam! Run! Kid, behind me, now!
Yes, pepper pipe. Pepper pipe. Pipe. Pepper pipe. Pepper pipe. Pepper pipe. Oh yes.
Suppressive stun.
Woo! Oh no! Oh no! No! Stick and pull! Stick and pull, stick and pull, stick and pull.
Hit it high.
Okay, let's get back to work. Alright, so our next one on the list is these things. I have no idea what they do. Let's see. Assistant, what does this do? What the balloons? Oh, that is cool. Wait, can I do it again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, add the balloons. Go, my pretties. You go up, you go up. I mean, you go up, you go up, you go up. You go up. Hey guys, it's okay if we do something like this? Yeah, you're not going down to the water. No, no, no.
No tech policy enforced.
Yes, do this. Everyone gets what they want. Hey, I thought I believed you.
Take the shot.
I hate this guy so much. I hate that guy. I remember this. I named him Mr. Mustache. Yeah. So you guys, I think we should name him Mr. Mustache. Yep. Let's name him Mr. Mustache up there. Let's name him Greg. This one.
Fire.
Bomb time.
Hello, Mr. Mustache. Okay, that's Mr. Mustache. Okay.
Express.
Mr. Baldy. That's actually one. I'm not. Right in the middle of my video? I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Get out! I am trying to record a video for Pete's sake. Look at this thing. I just love this thing.
Eyes
Nya, 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 nya. Boom, 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 ba-doom, ba-doom, boom, 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 ba-boo-da, boom, boom, ba-boo-da, boom. This one. Bam, 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 bam.
You are not gonna catch this.
Alright, here comes the Tron.
Put him on his side. Careful.
Let's do this! Let's do this! Yeah! Woo! Boom, 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 boom! Bro, I killed a half of people in this game. I don't care about drones. I care about liberty.
Back in.
I hear the drones. They're angry. I know they're angry. Stop it, you minions! Give me all the luck you can, and I will give you the luck. Oh, yep. I think I killed way too many people. Oh, it's because of my achievements. Oh my gosh, I hit 100 people in this game. No, just hit the cop, just hit the cop. I'm not doing it. My backstep wants a level. Oh my god. Okay. Next one is this thing, whatever these things are. Whatever these things are, I want to know. Alright, let's test them out. What are these things? They do nothing. This is boring, the lame. Oh, those so good at hitting. But they take you like right at the object that you want. Boom! You guys are free. Get it. Let's take these guys out. Out. You go out. You go out. You go out. Yeah, people. Yeah, get into the water. That guy's on a boat. This guy's trying to escape. No. You don't escape. This guy. Oh, what is it? You never gonna get me. You can't escape, man. Look at these people. I mean, it's oh, this is funny. Yes, lead me into the trap. Yeah, go to your trap. Bye. Bye, trap. Oh, what a bunch of noobs. Look at all these noobs doing their own thing. Yep. Bye. Have a good time. Have a good bye. Yeah, bye. Have a good time. I've killed a half of the city right now. Look at this. Yeah, Mr. Mustache Guy, bye! He's gonna never see him again. Look at him. They're so angry. Bye. You also bye. Look at these people, the fuck!
Chirp and swerve.
Mustache Guy. Hey, don't leave me. I killed the auto! The drones are coming! I'm gonna kill one of the drones right now. Alright, here comes the loop. Woo! No. Alright, that is so tough. Oh my god. Oh, my face. Oh. Alright, our next one on the list is whatever this thing is. Let's test them out. Can I? Okay, boring. Oh, they electrocute! Electrocute. Oh, this is so crazy! Oh! Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
Fetch this.
Oh my god. Yeah, la. Bro, this is... My neighbors are gonna get so crazy.
Fuck.
Yeah. Yeah, you go on. Bye in the ocean. Look at these people. Yeah, these citizens are drunk. You guys are electrocuting, you know. One shot. No. Oh, there's so many people in the game. Oh, my headset says it's going low. My headset says it's going low. And we got the SWAT! Bro, this is so crazy. Let me go through. No. Guns up. I have guns all over my floor. Oh my god, get me off. Bro, I had guns all over my floor. What? I had... Busha! This game is lagged. This game, absolute lagged. Did they know? Okay, the next one are these guys. These little puppies. Yep, these are the next guys. I'm gonna bring one. The game's so much lagged. Yeah, my pretties.
No better. Enforced.
Whoa, he's out cold.
Okay. Yo, stop putting this in slow mode. Oh, my headset is going so low.
Send it.
Bro, this is exactly. I think I'm about to break the game. Woo. Oh my gosh. You hear those sirens? I am in big trouble. Oh my god. I purchased all the money. Yes. Purchase. Everything is purchased, guys. Okay. Now, our next one is our sniper. You mean, oh. Is this a real sniper? Yep, and my game's lagging. Oh my gosh. Look at my game. It's absolute lag. I don't think the game even exists anymore. Well, let's fit in. Well, let's... Oh, I am right. Is that a mini car? No, it let me through. That's a mini car. That's a mini car, guys. Yee, that's a mini car. Yes, I do not know about mini cars, that's for sure. We got. Get off. Get off. Push him off the side. I said push you off the side. No, my sniper. Oh, I'm gonna kill you. I'm killing you. I am right on the sniper. The sniper's actually really good. Yes. But okay. Now for the finale, guys. For the finale, the bazookas. I've been dreaming for forever. Time for the bazookas for the finale. Poochoo. I'm getting stars. This is so amazing! Look at this, this is fun! This is a human bath! This is a human bath, guys. Whoosh! Yep, and bye-bye! Huma! Guys, let's meet you at the battle arena. Alright, guys, show yourselves! Alright. Here we go, guys. Alright, guys. Show yourselves! We got an army coming. We got an army. Alright. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom! Even you, little reindeer. Fight! Oh, my game's getting so laggy. Yep. I'm at you guys. I'm done with this game. And stop the lagging at